I put my sweaters out on the balcony, and my neighbor thought I had lost my mind. In reality, it is a simple trick to refresh wool. As soon as there is snow and freezing temperatures, I take out my wool sweaters and do what is called snow washing. I lay them flat on the balcony, which is covered with snow. I use this method for merino wool, cashmere, and regular wool garments. Then I sprinkle them with a thin layer of fresh snow. This method comes from a time when washing machines were not common. It answers the question of how to wash wool clothes without them shrinking. The snow should cover the entire surface of the garments. I leave them there for at least 1 hour. After that, I shake off the snow. The freezing temperature refreshes the wool and removes bacteria. This way, wool can be refreshed without damaging it or risking shrinkage. Bad odors disappear, and the fibers of the sweater become fluffy again. Then I lay the clothes flat on a drying rack, far away from the heater. Wool garments should not be dried at high temperatures because they can shrink. It is important that they lie flat, as this protects them from stretching and losing their shape. Wool clothing should not be washed often, which is why I use this grandmother's method whenever snow appears on my balcony. Tip for washing shoes in the washing machine. Whenever I wash shoes in the washing machine, I always add one more thing to the drum. This prevents them from getting damaged. Thanks to this, washing them in the machine is no problem. You don't have to wash sneakers or sports shoes by hand. It's a tedious and time-consuming task. With such footwear, like sneakers or other sports shoes, the washing machine handles it perfectly, especially when the sports shoes are white. Even if the washing machine doesn't have a program for washing sports shoes, you can do it without worry. You can wash most of such shoes and fabric footwear in the machine, but not leather ones. This trick is also perfect for old sports shoes, especially white ones that you were thinking of throwing away. Wash them in the machine, and you'll surely still wear them. When washing shoes in the machine, choose a program for delicate fabrics and the lowest temperature, maximum 40 degrees. The best part is that you can easily wash even just one pair of shoes, and you can spin them without any problems. However, choose the lowest spin speed, put the shoes in the washing machine, and add one more thing. A towel is best, preferably a thick terry one. Put it in together with the shoes for washing. You can even use 2 towels. Then it will fulfill its role even better. The towel prevents the shoes from moving too much in the drum. The shoes won't rub against each other and the inside of the washing machine edges. With towels in the drum, you can easily spin the shoes without any worries. If you have laundry bags, you can place the shoes in them. Then washing them in the machine will be less invasive. Did you know about this towel trick? Do you wash shoes in the washing machine? Let me know in the comments. Yellow armpit stains will disappear. All you need is a brilliant homemade stain remover. Apply it to the shirt under the arms, and the yellow stains will vanish. See how to make a sweat stain remover. This will be your new ally in the fight against stains. Not only does it work effectively, but it also leaves a fresh scent and is environmentally friendly. To start, you need a tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in a bowl. Baking soda neutralizes odors and absorbs oils. Add a tablespoon of salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and absorbs moisture. These are the ingredients that effectively remove sweat stains. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent stain remover due to its bleaching and disinfectant properties. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Simply mix these ingredients to get a strong stain remover. It will tackle even the toughest sweat stains. Now apply the mixture directly to the stains. Every stain must be covered with the mixture. Leave it on for half an hour, or even longer. After this time, soak the shirt in a bowl of hot water. You'll see the stains disappear. Finally, just wash the shirt with the rest of your white laundry. This way, your favorite clothes will look like new. Give your clothes a second life with this simple solution. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white.